we have already measured today a template, we already measured a backsplash, and now let's go for the things that I know that you experience more difficulties in the glass industry. Balustrades. Balustrades usually are made by you 2 times, or you spend a lot of time here measuring them so that you can find these fixture points, or you really have to do wooden templates. You fix them so that you see the intersection points between them, and then you can fabricate them. In this case, you go with the ProAligner, you put it on the tripod, same story, no need to level or to calibrate. Measure, balustrade, and start. And there we go, 3 points on the wall. You start measuring the lines of your stairs, if they are relevant or not. I'm just showing this so that you see that it's also possible, if you have a balustrade that goes around all the steps, you can also measure, but normally you just want the first and the last step, and you already have the angle, and that's it. Fixture points, you can already define them. Instead of arriving on site with your balustrade and having 3 people holding the balustrade and another marking, so that then you can drill it, here you just mark them before. So you save also in the number of people that you send on site to installation. So as you can see on your screen, the drawing is already done with all the information that I need. I'm going to show you how easy this can be edited as well, but in this case I have another piece of stair here on this side. It still doesn't have any fixture points, so let's mark it like you do when you go on site, and then let's measure it. So I have here a pen. What I'm going to do, another plane, like in the shower, if you remember well. So 3 points on the wall, and then I'm going to measure the lines. Because it's mechanical, it's always accurate. When you are at the point that you want to measure, you simply push the button on the remote. And really not important the shape. If you have a curved shape, you can also measure curves. So let's say that I want the first fixture point, usually in the half around here, and then below something like 5 centimeters. Something like that. You understand this is your work, you get it better than me. Fixture points, you mark them, and they will be in your glass. Mark them. Done. So here now you have, just like before, the possibility to edit your drawing directly on the ProAligner. So you're selecting to work only with this one. Again, 3 points gone. Connecting lines, just to have it a little bit bigger. Zero level line. Now let's place it below. On level, 1 meter above 1000. And now I take this line to here, and this one I connect it to this one. And here I have the fixture points, which are, for example, 9mm radius. Angle, I want to copy this angle below, for example. If you have a different angle below, you can also measure it. What you want to do, usually you want to give 300, and then you have your template. A second. Same story, first 3 points gone. Connecting lines. And now, zero level line. Origin over there. 1 meter above. And in this case now, let's say that I'm going to make it like this, right? Because that's usually what you want. The same angle, pushing it below, the same 300. You see that here the fixture points that I defined, the 300 wouldn't be enough, but let's make it a little bit more, 200 more, for example. So now, as you can see, you have both your layers. Of course, in this case they intersect because one is over the other, and you have to offset. Usually you can do this here on the ProLiner itself. You can offset one from the other, or you can use your CAD software. I do advise the Draw Advanced for it. It's really wonderful, very simple to use, and well, it allows you to see the thickness of the glass that you are about to install, and much more.